How to refund items and skins on Fortnite in 2024. This is the updated version. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is go on your settings. Then once you're in your settings, you have to go all the way to the last one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then once you're on the last one, it should say account and privacy. Now from here, you have to click on the third option right here. So under account, it should say Epic account ID, log out, recent purchases. So you're gonna have to click on the recent purchases. Click on that. Now from here, you're gonna have to click on the item you wanna do a refund on. Just to let you guys know, you could only get a refund in the last 30 days. So just click on that. Now you have two options, so yes or no. So obviously you're gonna click on yes if you want it. So just click on yes. Then once you click on yes, you get all your V-Bucks back and everything. You get 3 each year, so just know that. If this video helped, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching the video.